Hello everyone, welcome back to FixSoft. In this video, I will show you an easy way to install or update all the drivers on your Windows 11 computer for free. Many people don't update their drivers. They keep using their computer normally until a problem suddenly appears. For example, the PCs start lagging or working slowly. Wi-Fi may stop working, the graphics become slow, or Bluetooth devices may not connect. In many cases, these problems happen because the drivers are old or missing. Updating drivers manually can also be difficult. First, you have to find out which driver needs an update. Then you need to search for the correct driver and download it from a safe website, which makes the process confusing. In this video, I'll show you a simple method to update all your drivers in just one click without using paid software and without visiting random driver download websites. Now, let's start the process. First, open your web browser and search for Snap Driver Installer Origin. When the results appear, open the official website. After the page loads, find the download button and click it. A new page will open. Now here, scroll down to the Downloads section. Click on the download link, and it will start downloading a small zip file. When the download is complete, go to your Downloads folder. Right-click the zip file and select Extract to unpack it. After the files are extracted, open the new folder that appears. Inside, you will see two application files. One is for 32-bit systems, and the other is for 64-bit systems. Most computers running Windows 11 use a 64-bit system. If you want to check your system type, open the Start menu and search for System Information. Open it and find System Type. If it says x64-based PC, you should use the 64-bit application. Now, right-click the correct application file and open it. Accept the terms to continue. Give the required permissions. When the program opens for the first time, you will see three options. The first option is Download all driver packs. This downloads the full driver pack for many devices, but the file size is very large. The second option is Download network drivers only. This option downloads only network drivers like Wi-Fi and Ethernet drivers, which is helpful if your internet is not working. The third option is Download indexes only, and this is the best choice for most people. It downloads a small file that scans your computer and shows only the drivers your system needs. Select this option. The tool will download the index file and then scan your computer to check for missing or outdated drivers. When the scan finishes, you will see a list of drivers. It will show which drivers are old, which ones have updates available, and if any drivers are missing. You can click on any driver in the list to see more information. If you want to update everything quickly, click Select All, and it select all drivers in the list, and then click Install. The program will begin downloading and installing all the required drivers. The time it takes depends on your internet speed and how many drivers need updating. Just wait until the process finishes. It will also create a restore point, so you don't have to worry if anything goes wrong. When process finishes, close the application. After that, go and restart your PC, so all changes can take effect. When your computer starts again, it should now be running with the latest drivers. If there are no warning signs or device problems, it means the drivers were installed correctly and your hardware should work properly. And that's how you can update all drivers on Windows 11 with a simple one-click method. If this video helped you, please like the video and subscribe to FixSoft for more easy and useful computer tutorials. See you in the next video.